Guys, Miss Lambert here. Wanted to show you guys, I'm going to go from my mobile device to show you guys a couple of things on ways that you can access some stuff that we're providing from the school. So if you're using your mobile device, there are 3 or 4 different apps that you're going to want to use on your phone. One is your Microsoft Outlook. That's how you can log into your email account. The other that you need is the Microsoft Teams and OneNote, and then if you want, download Class Dojo because students have their own individual portfolio on there. So I'm going to show you a couple of things. So you're going to log into Outlook, OneNote, and Teams the same way you log into your email at school. If you're having any issues with that, then by all means, please let me get in touch with me, and I will help guide you through on how to log into your email account. I have noticed as I was setting things up that different students have their emails are set up different ways. So if you've never accessed yours or you're having trouble, just please contact me, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that we can do that. So Microsoft Teams looks like this on my iPhone. It may look a little different on different devices, but when you go to Microsoft Teams, you're going to see the classes that you're a part of. You won't see all of these. These are the ones that I'm a part of, and then it has my homerooms on here, obviously. So when you click on a homeroom, you're going to click on General, and you'll notice a couple of things. So it lets you know when assignments are there. You can do new post on here. If you post in this section, then everybody in the class will see it. And so you want to make sure that you're talking just to the person. You also have files on here. There are classroom materials. I've uploaded a couple of different videos here. So those will go up under class materials. And then you may possibly have a more button. And for each class, it's going to show you your assignments, your class notebooks. Once you go in and do an assignment, you'll be able to click on the assignment. And I'm going to click on Student View so that you can see what that looks like. So on the student view, the assignment will come up. And for example, this week we're reviewing exponents and scientific notation. It does tell you where your assignments are. The assignments this week are in USA Test Prep. Most of my assignments will be in USA Test Prep. And then under resources, you can see that I've attached 5 different videos on the exponent rules, dividing exponents, scientific notation, multiplying exponents, and this assignment's worth 100 points. And then so when you guys go through and you see these assignments, then I can look at them, I can grade it, and I can send it back to you. I can give you some feedback. It'll tell me when students have done those. In your class notebook, it will open in OneNote if you're on a mobile device. It's not going to do that on the computer, but it will open in OneNote, and you will not be able to see everybody else's folder. I see everybody's little folder. This is like a note with dividers in it. In the anchor charts, I have actually put in some exponent rules. These are anchor charts that I found just to have you a reminder. It would help with this week's lesson. Scientific notation, the same thing. So those are in there for for you to be able to look at. And then each student will have their own individual clips, and under those notebooks you will have your assignments, your homework, ways that you can access those different files. And like I said, you only see your folder. You're not going to see everyone else's. Okay, so there are different notebooks that I have on here, and I'm going to go back to Microsoft Teams and show you a couple of other things in here that we can do. One of the cool things, if you're in your class and let's say that you go to chat, you want to speak to someone, you can start a chat. Deanitra, I'm going to call you out because this was feedback that I sent to Deanitra. But if you notice in the top right corner, you can do a call to your teacher or to another student, and you can also video chat with them. So that is one of the ways that you can contact me. I had sent feedback to Deanitra from her assignment and sent her assignment back to her. So it allows me to have those conversations with you guys. Again, at the bottom, you're going to see teams, activity. It lets you see different activity that's going on within there. Again, chats with different people. You can see your assignments. You can pick which class you want to go to see your assignments. And then you also have a calendar. And on that calendar, it's going to give you some different items. Of course, I had a meeting this morning with the 8th grade teacher, so that's why that's on my calendar. You may have your assignments on your calendar so that you can track yourself and go through and keep up with what you need to do. So again, it's going to look different on the computer, so I'm going to do 2 different videos. This one is what the Microsoft Teams will look like on your phone. So again, you just want to go through. Let me show you right quick on Class Dojo. On Class Dojo, if I go to the class stories, when you go into Class Dojo, if you have your phone on you, maybe I didn't post it in here. Hold on a second. When you go to Class Dojo, there will be, yesterday I posted these instructions. So when you guys go in here and you click on the picture, your parents can click on the picture, you can scan this QR code with the camera on your phone, and it will automatically take you to the app, or click I'm a student on the app and then scan the code and the QR code, and it will automatically allow you to join your class. And you have a portfolio in there, and you can also contact and do some different instructions on there. So you just need to make sure that you click on the picture, because it does not all show up on the task. And then of course that wonderful video that I had to post today. So if you guys need anything, just please let me know. I will be happy to help. So again, just some different apps that you may want to have on your mobile device if you're doing the work from the mobile device. And again, if you're having trouble logging in, most of the parents have my number. You can message me, you can FaceTime me so that we can see the screens, or I will be glad to walk you through it and help you log into your email so that you can access these other activities. Okay, so again, USA Test Prep, Microsoft Teams, OneNote, 8th grade teachers have work posted in USA Test Prep for this week. No work during spring break, guys. You're not going to have any new work posted. Everybody in the county's been asked, to treat that like it's a regular spring break, and hopefully I will get to see you guys on April 6th. Right now, that's still our go back date. So hopefully I will get to see you guys on April 6th. If not, I will keep you